Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make moyashi no salad. It's very simple bean sprout salad. Today I'm adding some spinach and carrot just to make it colorful, but you can make it with the bean sprout alone and it's still very good. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of bean sprouts, some carrot and spinach, as much as you like. 1 tablespoon each of sesame seeds, sesame oil, and Chinese soup stock or chicken stock. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first, so carrot. Let's use this much. Peel the skin. I'm going to make it into very thin strips. So let's make it into very thin slices first. Align them and into strips. Put it in a large Ziploc container. Spinach. Cut the bottom off. Then into 2 inches or so. If you're using baby spinach, you don't need to cut it. Also into the container. Bean sprouts. Put the cover on. Don't seal it tight, just put it on like this and microwave. 3 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Put the cover back on and 2 minutes at 600 watts. Vegetables are well cooked now. Just let it sit until it's touchable temperature. I left it for about 10 minutes and it's still hot but touchable. So let's squeeze this really well. Salad spinner won't do this job. Take some. And squeeze. A lot of water came out from the vegetables, and you don't need it, so you can throw it away. Let's add all the seasonings. Sesame oil, sesame seeds, garlic paste, and the soup stock. Give it a good mix. Try some here, and if you need more saltiness, add a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's serve in the bowl. And moyashi no salad is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's very simple salad using very simple ingredients, but it's surprisingly flavorful. So good! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Moyashi no salad is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and let's have enoki miso soup. These dishes are rather healthy, so I think I want to have something heavy for the main. How about niku dango no amazuan, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!